Hey guys, Miss P here. Today we're going to do a review of finding slope from a graph. The first example I would like to do is a horizontal line. Alright guys, now we already know any horizontal line is a zero slope. Okay? That means you don't actually have to calculate, alright? Because you guys are not going up or down. You're going over, but there's no up or down. Okay? So, anytime you see this, zero slope. Okay. Number two. Number two is going to be a vertical, sorry. Vertical line. Now, if I asked you, what's the slope of this line? Guys, right as you see it, undefined. All right, from this point to this point, you're not going over, you're just going up and down. So, undefined. Okay, now that we got those two out of the way, let's try another one. Number three. All right, let's go from here. All right, let's make that a point. And let's make that a point. Okay. So, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go like a book, right? What point do I hit first? This point. To get from this point to this point, I have to go up and then over. So we're going to count how many points up. 1, 2, 3. So since it's up, it's a positive. How many am I going over? 1, 2, 3. So it's always rise over run. I went up 3 and I went over 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so my slope should be 1. So if I go up 1 over 1, do I hit a point? Yes. Up 1 over 1, do I hit a point? Yes. Woo! Got our slope. Now also, guys, another thing to look at. This slope's positive, right? From here to here, it's going up. So if you get something negative, or if it's a multiple choice and there's negative options, you can just forget those options right off the bat because you already know that this slope is going to be positive. Okay? Let's try another. All right, let's go with 4. All right, let's go with, that's a point right there. And that's a point right there. Okay. All right, so first thing we do, we're going to read this like a book. This is the first point we get to. Sorry, it's not so perfect. But now we have to go down and then over. Okay, so we're going to count how many we go down. 1, 2, 3. Since we're going down, it's a -3. All right, how many are we going over? 1, 2, 3. That is the same problem. Well, not the same, but a little different. So we're going over 3. So our rise is a -3 over 3, which now is reduced to a -1. So now again, your slope is 1 because 3 divided by 3 is 1. And if we look at this as a graph, it is going down, decreasing. So it needs to be negative. All right, guys, let's see if I can draw a line that doesn't have a slope of 1. Just kidding. Okay. 5. I'm just going to put 2 points and then go from there. Point there. How about that? All right. There's our first point. There's our second point. Wish it was a little better, man. There we go. All right. If we're reading this like a book, the first point we come to is this one. We have to go up, and then we have to go over. Okay? So since we're going up, we know it's going to be positive. So how many points do we go up? Let's see. 1, 2. All right. So we go up 2, which is positive. How many points are we going over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We go over 5 points. So our rise is a 2 and our run is a 5. Okay? And you can't simplify 2/5. So that's our answer right there. Positive 2/5. And we know it's positive because this is increasing left to right. Woo! All right, guys, I'm going to do one more. Let's go with here. In here. Okay. Here we go. All right. If we read this one like a book, we come to this point first, and to get to this point, we have to go down. So let's make it a different color so we can see it a little better. We're going down 1 and then over. Okay. So if we go down, it's a -1. Okay. How many are we going over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Okay. So the rise was a -1 because we're going down, and the run is a 5. So down 1 over 5. You cannot simplify -1/5, so -1/5 is your slope. You go down 1 over 5. That is it. Hope you guys are doing well. Miss you guys. Hope you have a good day. I'm sorry, my allergies. And hope to see you guys soon. Bye.